You now have just 1 hour left to go to the website you see here behind us and sign up for health care coverage.
At midnight, the penalties kick in for those who didn't sign up at healthcare.gov for insurance. So here are the latest enrollment numbers as of right now. Tonight, we just learned that nationally the number is on track to have 7 million signups by midnight. Here in Ohio, that latest updated figure is 176,402, but that's not the number the Obama administration was hoping for. Robert Lowry is getting answers as to why some would rather pay the fine than sign up.
Some people would rather not sign up for health coverage under the Affordable Care Act. Others say they can't pay for the coverage. Hours before the deadline, however, people continued to enroll, but not near the number of people who qualify for insurance.
He's locked out. He's caught in a loop on the website.
The phones can hardly stay on the receivers.
I'm sorry.
Volunteers at Community Action Partnership in Dayton have barely had a moment to themselves. They are helping people sign up for insurance before the deadline expires on applying for the Affordable Care Act.
It's been really busy. We've had people walk in with no appointment. We've had the hotline's just been ringing off the hook.
So busy, in fact, Michelle Nelson has barely had time to sit down and eat. More than 100,000 people were trying to log on to the healthcare.gov website at peak times on Monday. They are trying to join more than 6 million people nationally who have enrolled. But that number is well below the amount of people eligible for health coverage.
I'm not going to be concerned about it because I'm not paying it. Yeah, it's not even an option. I'm ready to.
Some are opting not to enroll. Alan Sonner of Dayton would rather pay the penalty fee than pay for coverage, which he says is more than what he was paying previously. That penalty fee is $95, or 1% of income, whichever is greater. Sonner says he'd rather take his chances.
What happens should something happen to you?
I tough it out.
Still, thousands across the state trying to beat that midnight deadline. Some never being able to afford health insurance until now.
I've seen a number of people that have ended up in tears because they can finally go to the doctor and get medication.
And there is an extension and a grace period for this, but volunteers at a Community Action Partnership tell me that you would have had all ready to start on your application process for that grace period to kick in. Reporting live, Robert Lowry, 2 News, working for you.